Today we'll talk about how can you select content language on your Bluesky app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down, click here on settings down here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. Then you click here on languages here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to content languages here, click in this sign. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. And here can you enable your content languages here. Then you click here on that. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.